Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the Gotv customer care representatives number of Mozambique. So if you are in Mozambique and you want to activate any Gotv decoder, or you are to clear any error on your Gotv, or you want to request for any or make an inquiries about your Gotv product and services in Namibia, all you have to do is to call the number that will be highlighted on your screen, and then they're going to help you out with any problem or give you any information that you need. But for any problem related to your Gotv decoder, they're going to ask you for the Gotv IUC number or the smart card number of your decoder. So to even proceed to call them, you first have to know your IUC number of your decoder. And with this IUC number, they normally place some stickers at the back of your decoder that have the IUC number or the smart card number of your decoder. So you check it over there. If there is no sticker or the numbers are fade off, you just pick up your Gotv remote and then you look for the green button on your remote, which is the Gotv logo. You press OK on it, and from the menu here, use the arrow top and down keys, and then you look for information central. You put it on it and then you press OK. And on this page, first on the list, we have the IUC number or the smart card number of your Gotv decoder. So this is what they're gonna request from you for them to be able to help you out, solve any problem related to your Gotv decoder. Gotv and DSTV is part of multi-choice. So if you have Mozambique DSTV number, you can call the DSTV number. Is the same as the Gotv number. Anything that you're gonna ask from those DSTV customer care representatives, they're going to help you out with this. Those problems that you are facing on your Gotv decoder, they are the same people, so you should be aware of that. And then whenever you are trying to call them, you need to have enough airtime before you proceed calling them. They're going to deduct at a normal calling rate, so you should be aware of it to have enough airtime before proceeding to call. And they don't normally work on weekends, so if you are to call them on Sundays, you are not likely to get them to help you out on any problem that you are having related to your Gotv decoder. Alright, that's it. If this video has been helpful and when you're here, all you have to do is to subscribe, hit the bell icon, just share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see